My name is Alexey Vladyshev. I'm the founder and CEO of Zabbix. Today, I would like to invite everyone, Zabbix community members, users, our customers and partners, and everyone who is interested in the monitoring and observability to the greatest and the largest Zabbix event of the year, Zabbix Summit 2023. It's a place to be and connect to like-minded experts, to hear and to share different use cases, and also to join us at the Open Doors event here in Riga at Zabbix headquarters. Zabbix Summit is a celebration of all things Zabbix, and it's a great opportunity for all of us to experience and to feel the power and passion of the Zabbix community.
As per tradition, the annual Zabbix Summit event will take place in Radisson Blu Hotel, Latvia on October 5th to 7th. Attendees will be able to interact with hundreds of fans from all over the world and listen to over 20 speeches covering a variety of Zabbix features, use cases, and best practice approaches. If you're looking for a more hands-on experience, sign up for our workshop sessions and check out those latest features and use cases in action.
But we are not done yet. Why not make your summit experience even more fulfilling by brushing up the Zabbix knowledge? The early arrivals will get the opportunity to participate in a variety of one-day training courses taking place from the 2nd till 4th of October. As per usual, during Summit the attendees will be able to test their Zabbix expertise by taking Zabbix certified training exam. And lastly, but certainly not least, all the attendees are more than welcome to extend their stay here in Riga and participate in Zabbix certified specialist and professional courses hosted here in Zabbix headquarters.
Let's not forget that our community is at the heart of Zabbix Summit. And what better way to network with your fellow Zabbix fans than by attending our Summit parties? Get to know your fellow attendees and warm up before the main event by attending our welcome party on the 5th of October. Our main party will go full steam ahead on October 6th at the Latvian History Railway Museum. During the party, attendees will be able to enjoy complimentary meals and drinks, as well as attend our long-term Zabbix Fan Award ceremony and a live music performance. Finally, join us for Summit After Party and unwind after 2 fulfilling days with Zabbix together with our community and staff.